Hi, it's Mark from WinningSolutionsInc.com, and I'm shooting on the move right now. I'm moving from the Air Canada Center, where the Day 3 keynote took place, and heading over to the main conference center. And so at today's keynote, we heard about a bunch of very interesting things. As is the case in some past years, we had an address by Microsoft's legal counsel, which you really don't expect to hear at a marketing event. But that's become really important because of all the data security issues, and with everything moving to the cloud, Microsoft really wants to make sure that cloud stuff is protected and secured, and that the government has to have a reasonable reason to go in and look at that stuff. So that's a big focus for Microsoft. And then Microsoft also focused on their charity efforts. I think that if we look back at the history of Microsoft, we see the influence of Bill Gates and what he learned over the years. I think when the company first started, charity probably wasn't as big a focus as it is now. And because of his legacy and the Gates Foundation, we're seeing that Microsoft doesn't want to wait another 50 years or even another 10 or 15 years for the current CEO to retire and move into philanthropy. They want to be doing philanthropy now. And so it was really interesting to hear some of the projects that they're doing. So again, it was kind of a big picture type of thing, not drilling down into a lot of technical details and that sort of thing. Of course, there were a lot of messages there about how partners can do their marketing better and reach out to you guys better. But I think that because you're here on the channel, we probably got those things pretty well handled. But always trying to learn something new as I go. So it was a great event this morning, and appreciate Microsoft putting this on and trying to help us do a better job. And it's always important to learn some new things, and so trying to do that. Now, out of the high-level stuff and getting into some more in-depth stuff, I'll have an update for you and a review, feedback on my first session here in a little while. So thanks for watching, and be back at you soon.